Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great day. It is April 16th, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about today's ongoing winter storms. We have two winter storms going on right now. We have one in the high plains in the Rockies, and we also have one in the Northeast. And we've had some pretty decent accumulations of both of these, and we're going to be looking at reports and stuff like that. And then we're going to talk about severe weather because it is mid-April, and severe weather is starting to get more active, or it looks like it could be getting more active uh, soon. So, and it is kind of active right now. So let's get started. So this is our current radar. We can see in these blue colors, that is snow, of course. This is precipitation deposition there here. So maybe some snow falling in Boston. There has been reports of snow falling in Boston. Looks like the western side of Boston has the best chance of seeing that right now. There's an MPing report right here of rain. That was around 20 minutes ago. I'd say it could be some snow mixing in Boston right now. We have a lot of potential snow coming down, especially right to the west of Worcester. One here in northern Massachusetts, snow. And going down to northern Rhode Island, maybe areas to the north of Providence getting some snow. And also Connecticut could be seeing that. And also right now, Portland's starting to get in on some of this. We go to the Portland radar. We can see a lot of snow falling through much of this area here. This area right here probably is snow. Also, and maybe actual downtown Portland may not be. It's probably coming down as mixed rain and snow. We have a lot of reports of those. On MPing, so that's probably coming down as mixed rain or snow right now. But to the north and west of town, it's definitely going to be snow. So yeah, pretty significant little winter storm for this time of year. Even some snow in eastern Connecticut, not all the way down to the coast, but still pretty interesting. And then we have more snow back into western New York here. Looks like we could have some snow maybe falling in Binghamton. That is well, we have two MPing reports of rain, so that might just be all rain. But the radar is picking up maybe some snow in that area. So yeah, kind of an interesting winter storm. Then we go back over to the west here. Further to the west, this is actually really the plains. We have snow falling in Denver right now. Or not in Denver, but maybe to the north and east of town. We can see maybe some light snow around. Nothing extremely significant, just some light stuff. If we go further to the east, though, we can see maybe some snow falling for areas in Nebraska, down into, or actually southern Nebraska here, even into northwestern Kansas. We could be seeing snow right now. Even towards the Dodge City area, maybe some snow falling in Dodge City. That's pretty far south this time of year for snow, but I wouldn't. That area could be seeing some snow, and then Rapid City, maybe some snow showers around. Same for the North Platte area. North Platte is right there. I don't know how I missed that, but likely some snow falling in this area also. So yeah, we go to reports. This is the Northeast. Let me just move that out of the way. Move it up here. I'll move it up here so you guys can see this. Looks like the most report, or the highest report, sorry, is 12 inches, and that is in southern New Jersey. Or not New Jersey, southern New Hampshire. We have 12 inches, so almost a foot in some areas. Mostly around 6 to 8 in some areas in these yellow colors. All the way down into Massachusetts, we see 6 to 8 inches, and even in northern Connecticut, almost 6 maybe in some isolated areas, with widespread 4 inches. So significant accumulations for mid-April especially, and we can see even some snow falling in Rhode Island. We do have some reports to the west of Boston of maybe some accumulating snow. And to the west of Albany, New York, we also have some reports of maybe up to around 3 to 4 inches of snow in that area. So kind of a interesting winter storm. And then associated with the upper level low, we also had some snow showers in this area. We have several reports of 4 inches here. When did these reports come in? These came in earlier this morning, but it looks like the snow has stopped since then. So around 4 inches, yeah. So that's some decent accumulation in that area. And then we go further to the west. And we've had some pretty significant snowfall reports. 18 inches, that is in likely higher elevations in Wyoming right there. Snowfall or snow in Rapid City, maybe around 1 to 2 inches, and some snow, actually almost a foot of snow in many areas of western Nebraska, the Nebraska Panhandle. And down in the northwestern Kansas, we did also see maybe 1 to 3, maybe up to 4 inches. So, pretty significant winter storm for this time of year. Even Denver did see a decent amount of snow, around 5 inches, right in the middle of Denver, maybe 8 inches in the northern side of town and to the west. And to the east of town, likely saw maybe 3 to 5 inches. So, even Denver saw a decent amount of snow. Sorry, I can't talk sometimes. But, so yeah, we still have some snow falling, like I said, in central Nebraska down into Kansas. And let's look at the SPC here. So, we're going to switch topics to severe weather now. Storm Prediction Center's website here. And you can see we have a marginal risk going from central Texas all the way into central Florida today. Pretty large marginal risk. We also have a second one in southern Texas. And main threats today, wind and hail. Not really much of a tornado threat. And then as we go into tomorrow, we can see we have a marginal risk for southern Georgia, northern Florida Panhandle, and once again we have another one for areas of extreme southern Texas. And then day 3, this is now Sunday. A pretty calm looking pattern. So SPC only has general thunderstorms out, no marginal yet. We're gonna go back to winter weather here. This is kind of just the future radar. You can see maybe some snow switching over to rain during the day today as we get more heating. But then as we go into tonight, most of Maine will switch over to snow, even coastal Maine, eastern Maine, and most of Maine will switch over to a nice light to moderate, maybe even some areas of heavy snow. As we go here tonight, we can see that low spinning right to the east of Boston, really. It just kind of spins around and doesn't really move a whole lot, which could bring some more significant accumulation. So, kind of an interesting setup. And yeah, so let's talk about severe weather now. Let's go back to that. This is current pattern right now. As of 18, or this is this afternoon, Friday afternoon. We have a high pressure sitting in southern Montana. That is going to help bring us some cold air down from Canada, and that's going to kind of allow us to have snow in this area. That's really what's bringing down our cold air. And across the Northeast, we don't have a whole lot of cold air, but this upper level low is bringing a lot of it down with it into the Northeast. And we can see just a lot of snow in that area, indicated in the GFS. In the South, we'll have a pretty unsettled pattern. It's been kind of that way all week from Texas over into the Florida Panhandle. Not a lot of severe weather this week. We've had a lot of severe weather, especially in the southern plains in Texas. A lot of marginal and slight risks. We haven't had really any severe weather outbreaks this week, which is good. This is Sunday though. We can notice we have some kind of clipper system coming down from Canada here with a lot of snow for maybe areas of northern Montana into maybe some snow showers in the backside of North Dakota, maybe northern Minnesota, maybe areas like Fargo and Grand Forks to get something out of that. But overall, a lot of snow from Montana. And even down in the Wyoming, South Dakota, Nebraska, Colorado, even more snow. So this is a significant looking winter storm for mid-April. Snow all the way down to the Texas Panhandle. This is late Monday night next week. On the 19th, we can see have a front like this, and likely we have a lot of moisture in this area down here, and so we have a lot of snow falling in areas like Dodge City, and even into southeastern Colorado, the Texas Panhandle, like I said before, and maybe some snow for areas of Michigan. We'll have to see. And then maybe some snow as far south as Oklahoma. We'll have to see about that, but that just looks really weird for this time of year. Mid-April, we don't see snow. I mean, it's likely not going to accumulate a whole lot, but we don't normally see snow in northern Arkansas. And even behind this extreme cold air for April, we have a lot of snow showers, very unsettled pattern left behind this, with maybe even some lake effect snow. and some more snow for the northeast. Now, that's going to be a significant storm system. Now, with the severe weather side of things, it doesn't look like, I don't think we're going to have a whole lot of severe weather with this. It's definitely possible we could see something, and I think we will. Just, I don't think we're going to have a great severe weather risk with this storm system, but it does look like we're going to be talking about winter weather for around the next week with this. Now, we go to the European. We'll see how the European is different than the GFS. And then we'll go look at the Canadian real quick. You can see the Euro has this, this is Sunday evening. We have a lot of snow falling in Montana. Front makes it down. We don't have as much snow in Kansas, Texas, and Oklahoma. The front just continues moving to the east. We have some snow even in northern Arkansas, especially northwestern Arkansas and northern Oklahoma. Maybe a risk of some wintry mix and some snow. Snow in Michigan, maybe some accumulating snow. Michigan, Indiana, northern Illinois. And over into the northeast, the low starts to move too far to the north, so we get more warm air, and the warm front gets too far to the north, so we don't really have a great risk of snow across the northeast, but it looks like we could maybe have a little bit in the backside. And plus, this is pretty far out, though. This is still around half a week out, so details with this can change. It looks like we're going to have another winter storm next week, and this one could even, this one's going to be really cross-country winter storm. It's going to be moving, it's going to enter the northern plains, and it's going to track down to the south and then move to the east. Kind of a weird path it's going to take. Let's go to the Canadian now. And Canadians, yeah, we can see this is really not, it might be a little bit more slow than the Euro. And may have a little bit more warm air here, so we have a little bit more mixing going on in Montana. But still a good amount of snow maybe. And kind of agrees with the European. The GFS is kind of an outlier with this, with that snow across the Texas Panhandle and Oklahoma Panhandle. Maybe some snow showers in that area, according to the Canadian and the Euro. Just not really significant accumulation. And the Canadian also has a lot less heavy snow, just really some snow showers. But then, why is this low gets into the northeast? We actually have a lot of snow for areas of the interior northeast. Now let's go back to the GFS here, and then what follows after the storm system could be a pretty big deal. We go to temperature anomalies. And yeah, after the storm system, which we can obviously see, this is afternoon temperatures on Tuesday the 20th. We have afternoon temperatures around 30 degrees below normal from all the way down into South Texas, or 30 degrees below normal, stretching from southern Texas into central Illinois. And then all that cold air really takes up as we get into later next week, around Wednesday, Thursday. We can see much below average temperatures for really the whole central and eastern U.S. Temperatures around 10 to 20 degrees below normal. And we go to actual temperatures, and you can see Tuesday afternoon. Look at this. Temperatures in the 30s in Arkansas, southern Missouri, into Illinois, almost below freezing in central Illinois and into Michigan, which will allow maybe for a little bit of accumulating snow. Then even behind this is morning temperatures on Thursday. Below freezing temperatures for much of the Midwest, the Northeast, and 40s in the South, and even in the Florida Panhandle. So just a pretty significant cold blast here. And Friday morning, it might be pretty short-lived. You can see Friday morning we lose those below freezing temperatures from the Midwest. Looks like we have another front right here, and we have still below freezing temperatures in the Northeast. Maybe some snow in that area also. Oh, it does look like we're gonna have another cold blast next week with another potential winter storm. But yeah, that wraps up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be back tomorrow. But yes, goodbye.